Hello everyone, this is my submission for the Stellar Hackathon. So the name of my project is Sentry402. So basically, AI agents they can reason, but they usually can't spend money safely. If you give them unrestricted API access, basically the costs are going to come back biting you. And if you block them from spending, they can't get live information. So my project Sentry basically solves that. So Sentryx402 gives an agent a wallet, a budget, and a receipt for every paid decision it makes using X402 on Stellar. So I'll just show you. Basically, you can see my overview, gateway, my tabs, my overview, my gateway, my agent runner, my receipt. So I'll first connect wallet. So you're going to need a Freeta wallet. So normally my wallet will pop up, but I've already signed the transaction to approve this site. So you need a Freeta wallet and you are going to need some XLM and some USDC. I recommend getting them some testnet tokens of this. So the second thing you are going to do is go to gateway. So if you go to gateway, you are going to let's pick search gateway. Okay, and then the query is what we want to find information about. So we say Stellar 402 docs and the result limit is 5. So basically the first thing you're going to do is click on check policy. So it's checking. When it normally checks, it approves the search gateway at 0.01. This is like the budget that it puts in basically. And you can this is the budget for this gateway basically. So you now click on run paid query and it's paying. Okay, so we're just going to wait a while I sign the transaction. So when I click confirm, I'm just going to wait a while it's paying. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, and okay, so it has paid. And so if you scroll down here, you can see that the best search message for Stellar 402 docs has been found. So you can see quick starts, you can see monetize web3. Basically, it fetches information. You can tap on any of this and it will take you directly to the docs. So, but that's not the end. So after approving or using this gateway, because this is an agent callable paid gateway, before the request runs, Sentry402 will check the policy which I just showed you and the budget. If it passes, the wallet will sign the 402 payment flow which I just showed you, and the results will come back with a real receipt trail. So basically you can see the receipts. We'll show you that later. But for now, the next course of action is to go to my agent runner. So but in Gateway, this basically proves that the agents can buy live information one query at a time instead of relying on subscriptions. So we can control the amount of information we want to get rather than relying on subscriptions one at a time. So basically the control is in our hands instead of subscribing for it and then it doing autonomously and we can't control anything. So go to agent runner. I'll go to agent runner now. What we're going to do is the agent mission, the task, we'll just use this find the latest Stellar 402 update and summarize the most important thing. So I'm just going to give this agent a budget of 0.04 USDC. So I'll first click on plan agent. Now this plan agent will basically show the plan that is going to do, which is resolve. First, this is the plan. It will resolve the latest times 402 updates and pull out the most important updates. So collect current signals and collect reference material. So these are the two tasks. So my agent basically breaks down what the first task I give it, it will break it down into steps on what it will do and then to carry it out. So after plan agent, I'll click on deploy agent. So it will approve the first step, which is collect current signals. So I'm just going to confirm this transaction. As you can see, my budget was 0.04 USDC. So for this collect current signals, it has spent 0.02. Okay, so it must not go above this budget. So the next step is to collect reference material. I'm just going to click to approve step 2. I'm just going to click confirm and okay, we'll wait a while. The amount is going to spend for collecting reference material is 0.01. So when you add it, total will spend is 0.03, which is between our budget. So we still have a budget of 0.01 remaining that we can afford to spend, but we have already carried out the tax. Basically, you can see us actually spending the money based on a budget to get a tax done, basically. So as you can see, for what we asked for it, two paid queries return 6 sources for find the latest. So you can see the top current updates, Stellar402 unlocking payments for new agent economy based supporting source. This will tell you why this is useful, how to use it. Basically, it tells you every information. Also, the source, once again, if you go, it takes you directly to it. So this is basically how my project works. It, and so if you go to receipts, you can see every settlement history on the Stellar testnet. Every settlement history shows there. So the way I build Sentry is with React, Vite, and Tailwind CSS on the front end, while I use Express on my back end. The payment flow uses X402 on Stellar. And as you can see, FreeTime, which is the wallet extension, is handling the signing of transactions and payments. But for payments, it's agentic. Now, I created two paid gateway, research and news, but I only showed um, research because of time. And then I built an agent runner, which is what I just showed you, that plans the tasks and into paid steps. And you are controlling the budgets. So this is how my project works, and if you have any information, feel free to let me know. Thank you.